Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 9th of June 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for SPX or the S&P 500 for the coming expiry on the 14th. The CE is up, PE is the same, so that's so actually the PE went down, but CE went up more, so that's positive. Quantity is higher for CE, that's negative. Change is higher for CE, that's negative. Short squeeze is higher for PE, that's negative. PCR is higher, is now still 2.81, that's 2 overbought, that's negative. Implied volatility is higher, historical volatility is lower, so that's a negative and a positive respectively. RSI is higher, that's positive. Divergence doesn't exist, so that's positive. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is higher, that's negative. Both EMAs are higher. VWAP is higher, pivot point is lower, candlestick is higher. So overall, the support is 5,300. Previous weeks was 5,325. Resistance is 5,350. Previous weeks was 5,300. Now this was a very, very close. I think it was one positive difference, which led to this uptrend prediction. So it's very weak, but nevertheless, the option chain does say that market should go up for the S&P 500. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.